Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil, part of Bogglesocks TV. My name's Andrew and this is
Julie.
And today we're going to be doing a demonstration on how to draw a
haunted house.
Before we get started, if you enjoy our tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell button if you'd like to receive notifications. Shall we get started now?
Yeah.
Let's begin. First of all, let's get a black pen. Okay, and what we're going to do is along the bottom, we're just going to draw a straight line, like that. Okay, and in the middle, about here, we're going to draw a rectangle. So we're going to do two lines going up. Like
it's going to be really spooky by maybe adding broken windows.
Yeah, we're going to make it. And if it's not exactly right, if it's a bit wonky, that kind of makes it look more spooky.
Yeah.
So now we're going to draw a line.
I'm going to do it really wonky.
Okay.
Wait, up here.
So you do a straight line across, yeah, straight line across. And then what we're actually going to do is we're going to keep that line going along that way and along this way like that. Okay?
Can it be all funny?
Yeah, that's good. All right. And then the next thing to do is to draw another line that connects like that. So basically we've got a square, rectangle, square. Yeah?
Oh, I've done that.
That's good. So in the middle, about here, we can basically divide this into three shapes. So 1, 2, 3. Like
it
that.
might be complicated, but it starts with the basic shapes.
It starts with basic shapes. That's absolutely right. Yeah, very clever. Okay, so see the distance between here and here.
1 and 3. Is this?
Yeah, that's great. That's really good. Okay, so see this sort of size of that rectangle, the first rectangle we draw. So let's sort of take our pen up about there.
Here.
And take our pen up about there and just do a couple of little guide dots to help us. Yeah. So now we're going to draw a straight line joining those two dots.
It should always start really with basic shapes to make it easier, but it actually looks harder.
Yeah, once you add the details, yeah. Okay, so now we're going to do some diagonal lines like that, and we're going to do a diagonal line like that to join up. Okay. Okay, and then just up here, see where that rectangle is? Okay, we're going to draw another straight line up, like that.
Here.
Yep. And then see where this line is? We're going to draw another straight line up, like that. Okay?
You only say it's hard when you've never actually drawn it.
Exactly. When you're looking at it first of all and you haven't seen how it's constructed,
so you'll be a bit lazy and you will give up. Maybe.
We're not lazy, we don't give up, no? All right.
But so sometimes you might do that.
Some people might do, but that's because they're not confident, yeah? But the more that you draw, the more confident you get, the more you understand that you can draw these things.
Every time you do it, you get better.
Exactly right. Okay, so we're going to do a straight line across from here to here, like that, okay? And then, if we think that's about halfway, I'll put a little dot there. And do a dot about there, like that. Yeah. Like that.
Can it be like that?
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, it's just a guide, yeah? And then we're going to join that up like that, so we've got a triangle for the roof.
It's nothing hard, it's just shapes.
It's just shapes, that's right.
You normally draw things with shapes, not just like any kind of weird shape.
These are just regular geometric shapes,
and then you add the details.
That's right. So halfway, see the squares? Halfway, or just a bit under halfway, we're going to draw a line, a horizontal line that way, and a horizontal line that way. Yeah?
It's more like I say.
Okay.
It's more like a minus sign.
Yeah, like a minus sign, that's a good one. Okay, so before we get into the details, we want to strengthen up some of these lines. So these are actually supports for the side of the house. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make these lines thicker.
Do we have to do every line?
No, we're not doing every line thicker, okay? So just the ones that
are
supposed to be...
To give it some 3D?
Yeah, it kind of makes it look more solid and believable, yeah? Because some of the wood is supporting the house, okay? So again, I'm going to make these lines thicker.
Maybe 3D?
Yeah, it should make it look more solid. Okay. And where the door is,
squeaky
we want to
markers.
make that. They are squeaky, aren't they? So this bit, this rectangle in the middle is going to be the door. So where the door
Which
frame
one? This
is.
one?
Yeah, so we're making the ones that are going up thicker, okay? And then we can do the same on this bit here. On this bit here, we're going to make these ones thicker too. Okay. Okay, like that. Got it? Okay, so here we're going to do some little lines going down like that, and that's kind of going to be
How
like a
many?
little balcony. As many as you want. I've done 5.
I have
Okay.
lots of space.
That's all right.
I'm making this one wobbly.
Okay. That's good.
And this one might be broken. Make
That's
this
all
one
right. Yeah.
broken.
You can add some broken bits. And I'm going to put a diagonal line across.
They're a bit like
that.
cages or
A
something.
bit like cages, yeah.
Right, on both of them.
Yep. Right, so see where these lines are?
Yeah.
Just up, I'm going to do a line that side and a line that side.
Is it going to be like a little cabin?
Yeah, it's kind of like a wooden cabin, yeah. So I'm now going to do like a plus sign in the
For
middle.
windows?
That's for the windows, yeah.
I want it
And for one of them, I'm going to put like a little zigzag, like all glass has been broken.
broken. Maybe
Let's
somebody
do it on
broke
the
in.
other side too. Yeah. Or someone, nobody's lived in this house except for spooky ghosts, haven't they? So
Or witches.
ghosts can't do any decorating, can they? Yeah.
No, they will make it more.
Well, they haven't got hands that can pick things up, have they?
They can just go through things, so that's
Okay.
why.
All right. So in the middle here, we're going to do another little square like that.
Can it be broken?
Yeah, if you want. I'm just going to do a plus sign in the middle. So
Wait,
that's
I
like the
forgot to
window
choose.
in the door. You got that?
Wait. So yeah.
Okay. Right, okay. And in here, we're going to do another square. And then we'll put a plus sign in there for the glass of the window.
Can I just leave this one like that?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. That's good, yeah. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to add some wood planks, okay? And do them on that one. Yeah, and if we do them in different directions, it will make the house look a bit more like it's falling apart. Yeah, and I'm going to do some along here like that, okay? Right, just in this bit,
Right.
just inside here, I'm going to do a little vertical line there. And then see this bit here, where that joins there, I'm going to go like that. Okay, so just see where the beam meets that line. We're just going to run parallel to that diagonal line.
Yeah.
So we're making the frame that's holding the roof up. Okay, and then we can do some straight lines going up like that. Okay. Okay, now it's time to do the roof. So what we're going to do, for this part of the roof, we're going to do horizontal lines running along
How many?
like that, as many as you want. Okay.
Can I make them? Wait, what? I want to make it a bit wobbly.
Yep, okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do the tiles on the roof. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like half circle shapes. So I'm going to go loop, loop,
All the way.
loop, all the way along. Like that. And do the same here.
Can I take my time?
Yeah. looks fantastic. All right, so we're nearly done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some little spikes on the roof. So I'm going to do a little line like that, and then on top I'm going to do a triangle.
It can be like a wind thing.
Like a wind, yeah, like a, what's it called? A weather vane.
Yeah.
And I might put some little
Instead
spikes
of a
on top of the
chicken.
roof. Yeah, instead of a chicken.
This can be maybe like traps.
Could be traps to stop burglars coming in, couldn't it? Yeah. Okay.
Not done.
And then.
Wait for me.
Yeah, you ready? Okay.
Wait, should we do it here?
What I'm going
Can we
to
do it here?
You can do some on that side. Yeah, we've got some on that side.
Yeah.
Space. Okay.
No, I'll do 3.
Okay, cool. Right, what I'm now going to do is I'm going to add some spider webs, okay?
Oh, good idea.
So I'm going to put some lines
We know
like
how you
this.
do that now.
You know how to do it, do you? Put some lines there and there.
What? Like, okay.
That's right, you've done a window there. It's all right, just do it on this side, yeah? Okay. Yeah, so that's all right, just do that one, and then we're going to do those sort of curvy marks, okay?
Can I do 3 of this?
Yeah.
Can we draw a spider?
Yeah, you can draw a spider in there. That's well, if there's a spider web, there's probably going to be a spider, isn't there? Now I'm just going to add a little bit of detail to these supports, but you don't have to if you don't want to, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a line there,
Wow.
another line there, and another line there, like it's carving. So then I'm going to do a circle in there,
Oh, I like that.
like that.
idea.
You know, like sort of carving you get on the end of
Yeah.
beds. Yeah? And then I'm just going to make it slightly wider for curving there.
Do I have to do this?
No, you don't have to do that. Yeah, there we go.
I don't want to do that.
Okay, so I've just done those on there like that. Now, we're pretty much finished. So what we want to do is we want to start colouring it in, but if you want to add other things like a tree or bats or something like that,
Can we do
you
it
can
like
add what
that
you want. Yeah, so I'm going to add a bat up here. I'm going to do like a V shape. And I'm going to do 2 diagonal lines like that.
It looks like a bird.
It does look a bit like a bird, but what I'm now going to do is I'm going to add a triangle there and there. And then I'm going to join that with a curvy line like that and like that. And then if you start to colour that in, it'll look like a bat. Okay. Do you think we should add a spooky tree in there? No? Okay then, well let's get colouring in. Wow, Yuli, that is an amazing drawing. Give me a high five. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial, and if you did, subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, which is Magic Pencil Art for Kids. We're still running a competition where you can win this amazing book on how to draw animals. Realistically, all you got to do is send in your pictures to our Facebook page and the winner will win this fantastic prize. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial and we look forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.